Is your 2020-2022 Infiniti Q60 key fob not working reliably? Often, a simple battery replacement is the solution. This video guides you through the process, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. We'll cover everything you need to know, from identifying the correct battery to safely opening and reassembling your key fob. As of late 2024, some models offer battery life monitoring via the Infiniti InTouch app, but manual replacement is still a common need. The 2020-2022 Infiniti Q60 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery type is widely available at electronics stores, pharmacies, and online retailers for around $1 to $3. Make sure to purchase a fresh battery for optimal performance. Before you begin, double-check your owner's manual to confirm the battery type for your specific model year, although the CR2032 is the standard. For replacing the battery in your 2020-2022 Infiniti Q60 key fob, you'll need minimal tools. Start with a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A plastic tool is preferred to avoid scratching the fob's casing. Have a new CR2032 battery ready. This is a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery that's commonly available at electronics stores. Work in a well-lit area to see small parts clearly. Consider having a soft cloth or surface to work on to prevent any damage to the key fob. Locate the small seam on the back of the key fob. This seam is usually indicated by a small notch or indentation. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch and carefully pry the case open. Work your way around the seam, applying gentle pressure until the case separates into two halves. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Use your fingertip or the pry tool to gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring that the positive side is facing the correct direction. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Press them together firmly until they snap back into place. Ensure that the seam is flush and that there are no gaps. If the case doesn't close easily, double-check the battery orientation and ensure that no internal components are misaligned. After reassembly, test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. Verify that the car responds accordingly. If the key fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Ensure the battery is new and has sufficient charge, and try reseating the battery within the fob. In rare cases, a faulty circuit may require professional repair. If the key fob fails to work after battery replacement, ensure the battery is correctly installed and is new. Clean the battery contacts with a cotton swab. If problems persist, the issue may be with the fob's internal electronics, requiring professional assistance. Proper disposal of the old lithium battery is crucial. Recycle it at designated collection points. Consider that increased electronic features may slightly increase battery drain, so monitor performance.